Hi friends, good morning. So today we'll concentrate on our next topic, that is dialogues. So on a dialogues already we discussed few things, that is custom as well as predefined. Now today we'll concentrate on another two, that is progress dialogue. So progress dialogue. In a progress dialogue again there are two types. One is predefined, it's a spinner, and spinner is nothing but it's a circular one, and other one is the horizontal. So horizontal. So these both we can discuss first. So first just we'll create a project. Once we create a project, we'll discuss few more things about this. So just I'm creating here one project, new project. So that project name is progress. Just I'm giving you as progress. So just I'm creating simply this project. So we'll see. These dialogues are very important. This we can use whenever it's an any dynamic page is loading. Dynamic page is nothing but it's from the server. Whenever its data is loading from the server, we can able to show the status of that. So that time we can use most of these two dialogues. But as a latest, these two dialogues are deprecated. Deprecated is nothing but in place of this another component as introduced. So this is not in use. So why this is not in use means this we cannot customize. This both are predefined. We cannot customize styles and all. So because of that, we could not show this. This could be replaced by progress bar. So we'll discuss about progress bar also in our next video. So in detail we'll discuss about these three things here one by one here. Okay. So now we'll go and we'll start first this spinner one. So this is our yesterday's one. So just here I'm taking the layout. So this is our project. So here I want to paste this button. So that button changing text as server. So progress bar, server progress bar first. So just I pasted here that including this. So now this I'm changing as circular dialog. Also ID also I'm changing as circular. Then now I need to apply data binding. Here I'm applying data binding. So data binding dot enabled equal to true. So just I'm applying here data binding enabled true. So once data binding is applied, Java, first we need to declare data binding. Here I want to declare the data binding which is on XML name. So that already we know everyone, because of every video I'm not explaining about this clearly. So binding equal to data binding util dot set content view. Here context. That's it. So now here I want to give an action for this. So I want to give the action for the button binding dot circular dot set on click listener new view on-click listener. So once we give an on-click listener, in this, once we can that, automatically it should have that circular dialog. So that code will write here simply. See, just here I'm writing this progress dialog code. See here, progress dialog. So I already told deprecated. Whenever it's deprecated, any method or any class, it shows striking with the line. So it's striking with the line. See, just it's a progress dialog. Progress dialog equal to new progress dialog. So new progress dialog. Then here same as a context, we can use the context as this. Then every this code required. So progress dialog dot show, must and should it require this dot show. This because this belongs to the dialogs. So this progress dialog also, it has only functionalities like means we cannot customize extra. Only in this we can apply few parameters. One is the title, other one is the message, and progress style. Only these three parameters we can apply. So this is how we can apply those one by one. So very simple way we can apply here. This is progress dialog. Sorry, what is our declaration that should come here? Progress dialog dot set title. So I'm setting here title. So title is nothing, just I'm putting this please wait. Then progress dialog dot set message. So message, here I'm adding the message is please wait, just content loading, just I want to show this to the user. And here style, set progress style. So this is the progress dialog dot spinner. So this is what. So now I'm running this application. We'll see first this output. Then we can discuss about this. So already my device is connected. I'm running into my device. So this is, now I'm clicking on this. So it's displaying this like this, progress dialog like this. But even though here, if you comment on this, means defaultly it has a circular, even though if you run without that also, it can circle only. See, I'm directly running without that. See, now I'm clicking on this. See, without that line also, it is working as this. So this line is not mandatory for this. So in next video, we'll see this horizontal progress bar. Thank you for watching this. To get more updates, please subscribe Android Indian channel. Thank you.